Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop and click the button and watch this video. So we are doing a fall cook with me today, and I am so excited. I love to cook. You know, if you get food from me, that I am loving you, because that's how I show love. Food is my love language, and I enjoy cooking and watching people say, oh my gosh, that's so good. Like, I love that. I like to make people's bellies full and just make them feel content and loved. Today's video is also a collab, and I am so excited for this. I will give you more information about Dina at Graceful Living here in just a few minutes, but right now let's go ahead and get started. I am super excited to get to cooking. Alright, so our ingredients today is going to be Italian sausage, a block of cream cheese, 2 cans of diced tomato, a bag of tortellini that's frozen, a box of chicken broth, and baby spinach. I am beyond excited about today's collab, y'all. It is with Dina over at Graceful Living, and I promise you, I was one of her first subscribers before she ever hit her 1,000. Every time I go over there and watch her videos, I always leave feeling encouraged and uplifted, and I just love that about her. She has a very sweet spirit, and I love her home. It's French country. She loves to shop her home. This is her channel right here, so if that sounds like something that you might like, please go over and check her out. It's in my description box below. Make sure that you let her know you came from over at my channel, and give her some love. Thank you so much, Dina, for collabing with me today.
This soup is so yummy. It has a light broth, so it's not real heavy, so it doesn't like weigh you down, and it is so affordable. I will have this recipe down in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out and let me know in the comments if this is a soup that you might like to try to make. All right, now it's on to cake. I get requests for this cake all the time. It is so simple and affordable. The ingredients are a yellow cake mix, a can of apple pie filling, pecans, and some caramel. Look what happened to my cake, y'all. It came apart. I was so upset, but you know, everything can't be perfect. So I just pieced it all back together, but I almost died. I just wanted that perfect, pretty cake, but you know, life happens. So I pieced it all back together, and by the time I got it pieced back together, you couldn't even tell that I'd had a major accident. But my poor little cake, y'all. Even if I did have an accident, my cake still turned out so yummy. I hope that y'all enjoy this video, and if you do, and if you're still sticking around, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button, and also make sure that you go check out my friend Dina at Graceful Living. Like I said, her video and channel is in my description box below. And